Look at it. Look at it!
Please put your clothes back on. You hurt yourself. You look like a roach.
This is raw footage from the movie. All there is dialogue.
That was Lucky
So
Shot.
what happens then is a Foley artist comes in and puts in sound effects. Foley artists do 99% of the sound effects here in a movie, and they're named after Jack Foley, who pioneered sound effects here at Universal in the 1920s. I'll show you how it's done.
Please put your clothes back on. You hurt yourself. You look like a roast chicken.
That's cool, because I'm cool.
That was Lucky Shot.
And that's Foley. Give it up for me, everybody. Come on, give it up for me. Your new host, Kevin, because Rob is dead. Okay. Today we'll be adding dialogue and sound effects for Peter Pan, King Kong, and Evan Almighty. We have a bunch of Foley artists, but not much time, so let's meet the very... Hello, who are you? Leor? Leor, where are you from? Encino? Oh, okay, that's very good name for Encino. I had nowhere to go with that, I'm sorry. Okay, Leor, when that light comes on, you're going to be Kong's footsteps in the jungle. You're just going to do that until the light goes out, okay? All right, so watch the light. So watch the light. Do when the light. You're the first cue. Do you have any questions? I have no time. Okay. Hi, what's your name? Jamie. Jamie, you're going to be the roar for King Kong. So when that light comes on, big scary Kong roar. Give it a try, Jamie. Go. Okay, yeah. Okay, Jamie. When the light comes on, be better. Okay. Because they're not laughing with you. Hi, what's your name? Brooklyn, that's a cool name. Brooklyn, when this light comes on, you're going to be Tinkerbell's magic. You're going to go back and forth until the light goes out. Do that as long as the light's on. Okay, Brooklyn? And don't stop early, okay? Or Tinkerbell dies. Hi, what's your name? Okay, James. And our next contestant. James, take a step back for me. Thanks. Hey, guys. James is all up in my grill. Hi, what's your name? What's it? Kyle. And what's your name? Grace? Kyle, have you met Grace? Grace, Kyle. Anything? 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 Okay. And how charming. Turn around. You're adorable. And what's your name? Eduardo, okay, you're chaperoning because these two are like crazy for each other. Okay, when this light comes on, you're going to be people running from a flood. Ah! You're going to do that till the light goes out, okay? So watch the light, do as long as the light's on, all right? The light's on for half an hour. Okay. Hi, what are you doing there? Step up there, it's not all about you. What's your name? Hannah, Hannah, when that light comes on, you're going to spin this box. It's a crash box. You keep spinning as long as the light's on, so make sure you're watching the light there, okay? All right. Now, you're James, right? Yeah. All right. You're scaring me. James, you're our actor. You're going to do ADR, Automated Dialogue Replacement. That's ADR. That's a little ADD. Okay. So the light comes on the first time. Say the first line really loud. Go.
Look out behind the wall. Scream.
Mom, get your money back. Look down the wall. Ah! Give it a try. Go.
Look out behind the wall. Ah!
Okay, good. The light comes on the second time. You do the second line. Try the second line.
Oh no! Get everyone on the ark now! Get everyone on the ark now!
Okay, that's not what's written. Oh no! Get everyone on the ark now. Get on the ark. Get on the ark. Because you got to match it with the person. Yeah, no, you do the whole thing. You do the whole thing. You're being paid by the word. Okay, then the light comes on. Say the third line.
Hurry, hurry!
Fourth line.
We are flying!
Okay, you're the voice of Tinkerbell. Go.
We are flying!
It's no different. We are flying. Go. Okay. We are flying. Give it a try. Yeah, right, but your voice just changed like, what, 10 minutes ago? And then do the fifth line. So make sure you're watching the light, not the movie clips, okay? Hannah, keep looking at that, I'm worried. Okay, now you're all involved in this as well. See this light here, Walla Walla, that's a technical term for background sound. When that light comes on, right, all of you out there, all of you need to scream, shout, clap, make as much noise as possible. If you have a baby, throw it in the air. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to do some digital effects on the digital pad. That was Brooklyn. Oh, yeah. Not yet. Wait for your light. Wait for your light. Yeah, come on. You can do better than that.
Look out behind the wall! Ah!
Just scream. Look out! Okay. All right, Watch your lights, watch your lights. Second line, James.
Oh no, get everyone on the ark! Now, get on the ark! Get on the ark!
Good. Right. Yeah, good, Eduardo. You are very good. Okay. Yeah, go, Brooklyn. Brooklyn.
We are flying!
Higher!
We are flying!
Higher!
We are flying!
Keep saying it.
We are flying!
Good, okay, okay. Okay, not so fast, it's not the lottery. Okay. Yeah. Tink didn't make it. Okay. Watch your lights.
Oh no, we gotta get this people out of here!
Good, good. Okay. Oh my God, he's watching the movie. It's a little late there, Meryl Streep. Oh my God. What happened? What? Well, the light that... Oh my God, it's not plugged in. Oh, I just thought you were dumb. Oh my God. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh no, it's the last show of the day. We don't have time to re-record. I'm so sorry. But, all right, we're going to play back what we recorded because we have to hear what we recorded anyway. Look up here, and then what's your name again? Jamie, you're going to do it live. So everyone look up there. Jamie, you're going to do it live. I'm going to tell you when to go, though. We're going to get you in the soundproof booth. Come this way. We actually still use it. It's where we do ADR. So you come this way. Jamie, go over to the second mic there. The second. No, I'm sorry, Jamie, the second one? No, between 1 and 3. Okay. Oh, it's always the pretty ones. Okay. Let me get the light on for Jamie in there. Jamie, can you hear me? Jamie? Oh, Jamie, watch your head. Good Lord. All right, you're okay. I'll tell you when to go. Everyone look up there. You guys did great. This is funny. Wow, it's a foreign film. And she's not so sexy now. It's good.
Oh no, get everyone on the ark! Now, get on the ark! Get on the ark!
You sound like Michael J. Fox, classic Michael J. Fox. Good. Good running. Good run, very good. Especially the young lovers. Excellent. All right. Oh, there's two Jamies. Jamie will get here soon.
We are flying! We are flying! We are flying! We are flying! We are flying!
Okay, get ready, Jamie. We have two Jamies. I'm confused. Jamie, you're going.
Oh no, we gotta get this people out of here!
And action. Action, it means go. Go, Jamie, go. Okay, good. Keep it going. Keep it going, Jamie. Good job. Okay. And cut. Good. Ah! No, Jamie! Jamie, no! Jamie, oh no! Ah! Oh, this is not good. Okay, I'm going to turn out the light. Turn out the light. Would you go see if he's still Girl, you volunteered? No, I wouldn't go in. Who came with Jamie? Right? How do you know him?
My roommate.
He's your roommate? Well, here, he could be your roommate. Let's hear for our survivors, everybody. And look over there. It's Robin, it's Jamie, they're still alive. Guys, you were a great audience. All together, stand up. You were so good. Stand up, and get out. Yeah, you got that on film. Get out. Bye, guys. make sure to claim your children and not other children you found more charming. Brooklyn, you are great. Thank you so much. Darlene, thank you. And Jamie, thank you very much. And wait, your name again. Leor, very good. And here's the other Jamie. Wait. Are you? James. All right, that's why I was confused. I heard James. Everyone, Hannah, everyone who came up and helped out. Oh, wait. Darlene and wait. Joe, and Joe too.